Then physical properties of phenol. Phenol is colorless needle-shaped crystal. It is hygroscopic. What is the meaning of hygroscopic? It can easily dissolve in water. Then corrosive and poisonous. It turns pink on exposure to air and light. The simplest phenols are liquids or low melting solids. They have quite high boiling points. Then phenol is slightly soluble in water because of hydrogen bonding. That's why it is hygroscopic. However, other substituted phenols are essentially insoluble in water. This is the physical properties of phenol. We move to the chemical properties of phenol. In phenol, we have one benzene ring and OH group. These two, benzene ring and OH group, they separately involve in the chemical reactions. First, we move to the reactions involving OH group. Reaction with zinc dust. Phenol is converted to benzene on heating with zinc dust. If we treat the phenol with zinc dust, we are getting the benzene. In this reaction, the hydroxyl group, that is OH group, which is attached to the aromatic ring, it is eliminated, and because of the elimination of OH from phenol, we are getting benzene, and also we are getting the byproduct is then O. Second one, reaction with ammonia. Phenol on heating with ammonia in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. It gives aniline. What is aniline? Benzene ring with NH2. Here there is a replacement of functional group is happening. If we react the phenol with ammonia in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride on heating, we are getting aniline. In phenol, OH group is replaced with NH2. OH group is replaced with NH2, this amino group. Then OH and one more hydrogen in ammonia, both in involve and it liberate as water molecule. This is very important reaction because the product is aniline. Aniline is very important product. Formation of esters. Scott-Bowman reaction. When phenol on treatment with acid chloride, it gives us ester. What is ester? Or COOR. Or COOR is ester. The acetylation and benzylation of phenol, it is named as Scott-Bowman reaction. Let us see both examples, acetylation and benzylation. Phenol, if it is react with acetyl chloride, in presence of sodium hydroxide, we are getting phenyl ethanoate. What is phenyl ethanoate? Here in the phenol we have OH group. This hydrogen and Cl in acetyl chloride, both it become hydrochloric acid. So rest of the CH3CO, the acetyl group, it attached with the CH6H5O. So it become CH3COO C6H5. So it is named as acetylation. This is the ester in the form of RCOOR or CH3COO or C6H5. So it is ester. Then benzylation. Phenol is react with benzyl chloride. Here benzylation is take place. Like above reaction, hydrochloric acid is liberated, rest of the benzyl group is attached with phenol. So we are getting phenyl benzoate. This is very important reaction, formation of esters. Formation of ethers. Williamson ether synthesis. An alkali solution of phenol react with alkyl halides to form phenyl ether. The alkyl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution by the phenoxide ion. What is phenoxide ion? C6H5O- in the presence of alkali. This is named as formation of ether, Williamson ether synthesis. Let me move to the chemical reaction. The phenol, alkali solution of phenol. Here the NaOH is alkali we are using. So phenol with NaOH, it gives us sodium phenoxide. In sodium phenoxide, the phenoxide ion CCH5O minus, it replace with, the react with alkali halide. Here we are taking methyl iodide CH3I. In this reaction, Na and I, it becomes NaI, then CH3 is replaced by Na. So we are getting anisole. It is ether. ROR is the common formula for ether. The special name of this compound is anisole. IUPAC name is methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. Oxidation of phenol. Phenol undergoes oxidation with air, otherwise with acidified potassium dichromate. It is acidified with corn sulfuric acid, either by air or otherwise acidified K2Cr2O7 with concentrated sulfuric acid. It will give 1,4-benzoquinone. Potassium dichromate with a combination of corn sulfuric acid is oxidizing reagent. Here in the position of 1 and 4, it is getting oxidized. Phenols undergo catalytic reduction. Here phenol, it can reduce to cyclohexanol in the presence of catalyst. We are using nickel as a catalyst at the 160 degree Celsius. Here hydrogenation is take place. How hydrogenation? In phenol, we have one benzene ring. There we have double bond. The double bond is cleavage and there is addition of hydrogen. 3 hydrogen molecule is added to the 3 double bond. So it becomes cyclohexanol. Here reduction take place by the name of hydrogenation.